In today's video, guys, I'm driving like an hour and a half, 2 hours to a guy named my good buddy Hoogs Customs. You can find him at Hoogs Customs on Instagram. He's got a 2014 Ram 1500 on a 6-inch lift. Yeah, so we're going out to my buddy Hoogs. He has his company Hoogs Customs where he does basically mostly detailing and stuff, but he also does lift kits, suspension, whatever, pretty much whatever you want when you're building your truck, he'll do. But I'm going out there to get my truck ceramic coated. I could do it myself, but he's very good at what he does, so I'm just gonna have him do it. And then but getting your truck ceramic coated, especially if it's lifted or leveled with wide tires, I would highly recommend that you have this done, just because of the amount of rocks that fly up and all the other crap and people scratching like door dings and stuff. It protects a little bit, but it also makes it very easy to clean, especially like when it rains. Rain and water from the road just flies everywhere and covers the whole truck. So by having this done, you can basically just spray it with a hose and dry it off, and it'll be clean as it was. So guys, we're about to be there. Took about an hour and 40 minutes, but we're out there. We're about to be pulling up to his shop. So and